This is the Firearms Transaction Record Part 1 over the counter by the U.S. Department of Justice, Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. It says, warning, you may not receive a firearm prohibited by federal or state law. The information you will provide will be used to determine whether you are prohibited under law from receiving a firearm. Certain violations of the Gun Control Act are punishable by up to 10 years imprisonment and or up to a $250,000 fine. Alright. As for your full name, last name, first name, middle name. As for your current residence address, number and street address, city, county, state, zip code, place of birth, U.S. city and state, your height, weight, gender, birth date, social security number, just optional. It asks for your ethnicity, race, and here's important questions. Are you the actual transferee buyer of the firearm listed on this form? Warning, you are not the actual buyer if you are acquiring the firearm on behalf of another person. Just can't buy it for somebody else. It's against the law. If you are not the actual buyer, the dealer cannot transfer the firearm to you. Okay. It says, are you under indictment or information in any court for a felony or any other crime for which a judge can imprison you for more than 1 year? In these questions, it's asking yes or no. It says, have you ever been convicted in any court of felony or any other crime for which the judge could have imprisoned you for more than 1 year, even if you received a shorter sentence, including probation? Okay? My favorite question, are you a fugitive from justice? Can't make this up. It says, are you an unlawful user of or addicted to marijuana? Guessing even if it's legal now. Or any depressant, stimulant, does that include coffee? I don't think so. Narcotic drug or any other controlled substance. It says, have you ever been adjudicated mentally defective? Which includes a determination by a court, board, commission, or other lawful authority that you are a danger to yourself or to others, or are incompetent to manage your own affairs, or have you been committed to a mental institution? See instructions. Okay, on this. It's an important issue now. It says adjudicated mentally defective. It says a determination by a court, board, commission, or other lawful authority that a person, or as a result of marked subnormal intelligence or mental illness, incompetency, condition, or disease, is a danger to himself or to others, or lacks the mental capacity to contract or manages his own affairs. This term shall include a finding of insanity by a court in a criminal case, and those persons found incompetent to stand trial or found not guilty by reason of lack of mental responsibility. It says also, committed to a mental institution. a formal commitment of a person to a mental institution by a court, board, commission, or other lawful authority. The term includes a commitment to a mental institution involuntarily. It's important. The term includes commitment for mental defectiveness or mental illness. It also includes commitments for other reasons, such as for drug use. Also important. The term does not include a person in a mental institution for observation or a voluntary admission to a mental institution. Please also refer to question LC for the definition of a prohibited person. Alright. Next question. Have you been discharged from the armed forces under dishonorable conditions? Okay. Are you subject to a court order restraining you from harassing, stalking, or threatening your child or an intimate partner, open to interpretation, I assume, or child of such partner? Have you ever been convicted in any court of a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence? Have you ever renounced your United States citizenship? Are you an illegal alien in the United States? Are you an alien admitted to the United States under a non-immigration visa? If you are an alien admitted to the United States under a non-immigrant visa, do you fall within any of the exceptions set forth in the instructions? What is your state of residence, if any? Okay. What is your country of citizenship? If you are not a citizen of the United States, what is your U.S. issued alien number? Didn't know aliens had numbers. Okay. Or admission number. You're waiting in line. Okay. Alright. So the paperwork that is done by the seller. Type of firearms, identification, expiration, documentations, and other forms. It says proceed, denied, canceled. Manufacturer of the weapons. And that is pretty much it. And places for signatures for the seller. And that is how you acquire a firearm, at least in my state. Alright. Hope I enlightened some people on that as to who and who cannot buy a weapon in the United States. Alright. Thank you.